Ying. Thank you. I think the fund was investment. Innovation and Technology Venture Fund was launched in September. Deadline for application was just ended yesterday. Originally, by the 5th of there were only 4 applications, and you say that the number of applications were, as expected. So I'd like to know how many applications have been received at the time of the deadline. I understand that at the initial stage, the fund can invest into 40 to 50 these enterprises engage in innovation technology. Regarding the sharing of risk, in paragraph 13, the government say there will be an exit mechanism, which is that you will ask the co-investment partner to buy the original. So what do you mean by capital, the principal and a reasonable amount of premium? You say that it will be based on the performance and success of these startups. So there are 2 questions. For this premium, do you count that at the time when the investment was initially made, or is it that after some time you would work out with the venture capital funds to work out a different price, and then the government can receive more or less? Thank you, Mr. Chen. First of all, as of yesterday, we have received 14 applications. 14. 1-4. As for the other parts, I'd like to explain that the 5-year exit mechanism means that we would like to make use of this policy to promote these innovation and technology projects. We want to have more and more projects. It is not our objective to make a profit. So for the exit mechanism, what we're saying is that after 5 years, if our partner wants to, show all the risk, then the principal and the return on investment. I'm talking about. So this is the return on the government's capital or principal. It's only fair that the government will get, a return on its investment. So on the one hand, the government should get a reasonable return on the capital it has invested, and that our partner will have a chance to get a bigger return. We hope that when the fund is released, it can be reinvested into other projects. Perhaps I can also ask the director to further supplement. Mr. Chen is referring to the exit mechanism in paragraph 13. And this is about how do we calculate the premium. We will be engaging a third party to make the assessment and to find out how much that project is worth at the time. The government will find that third party, but the investment partner will have to show that the cost. So it will be the third party which will determine on the performance and the extent of success of the company and how much premium will need to be paid. As for the 40 and 50, the number, that is our original estimate. That is during the 5-year investment period. A conservative estimate is how many investments will be made by the companies. It will depend, of course, on the number of startups and the environment at the time.